Hey guys, happy Friday. It's also National Tequila Day. So I think it was about a week ago, my sister was here and she made this amazing drink. I'm not a tequila drinker, but I enjoyed this drink so much that I thought, why not create a little video for IGTV. It's a super simple recipe. Here we have tequila in blanco. This is the Casamigos. Make sure I'm saying that right. Yep, Casamigos tequila in blanco. And my sister likes to use the pineapple mango juice, orange juice, and I put some of that in here. And that's pretty much it. So do you guys drink tequila or mezcal or anything like that? I usually don't. I should have asked my sister the portion for the juice and the tequila, but I didn't. So I'm gonna put more juice than tequila. It's so refreshing. You put an ice cube in there and it's so good. So I also enjoy drinking my cocktails with a straw. These are sustainable, repurposed, compostable straws that you can purchase at Whole Foods, I believe. And in my stash of disposable utensils, I also found these straws that I purchased about a year ago from my aunt's bridal shower. You just pop it in here and drink it. It's a little strong, but not really. I think it's a good balance, guys. Bueno, that was it. It's a super simple recipe. I'd love to know if you guys drink tequila. If so, what brands do you enjoy? I understand that this Casamigos used to be George Clooney's and then he sold it to somebody, I'm not really sure. I made no research whatsoever for this video. Yeah, so here's my plans again. I am trying to feel very tropical at home, being that I am not going on vacation in the Caribbean. I usually try to do so with the family at least once a year. But again, we have so many things to be grateful for, so I'm not going to dwell on the fact that we couldn't take our vacation. So that's it. So I bought some plants and brought the Caribbean here, as you saw in my last post. So happy Friday, guys. Enjoy your tequila day. Salud.